Ever dreamt of turning your spare change into a nest egg? Maybe you've dabbled in stocks or toyed with the idea of a robo-advisor. But then reality hits. The world of investing seems complex, intimidating even. Enter Wealthsimple, a Canadian investment platform that's been making waves with its user-friendly interface and sleek app. But here's the question niggling at you: is Wealthsimple just for our friends to the north? Can you, as an international investor, hop on board this seemingly cool financial train? Let's crack open the app and see what the deal is. First things first, Wealthsimple boasts a variety of financial tools. You can trade stocks and ETFs, invest in robo-advised portfolios, or even explore their cash account, a high-interest savings option. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But here's where things get interesting. Because Wealthsimple is a Canadian company, regulations tie their services pretty tightly to the Great White North. So, to answer your question definitively, yes, there is a strong possibility you'll need to be a Canadian resident to use Wealthsimple. Here's why. Compliance, compliance, compliance. The world of finance is heavily regulated, and Wealthsimple is no exception. They hold licenses that permit them to operate within Canada. These licenses come with specific requirements, and one of those is ensuring their clients are residents of the country. Taxation is a thing. Investing comes hand in hand with tax implications. Wealthsimple is set up to handle Canadian tax regulations, and navigating the complexities of international taxes would be a whole other ballgame. Keeping it simple, Wealthsimple's appeal lies in its user-friendly approach. Adding a layer of international accounts would introduce complexities they might not be ready to tackle at this stage. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean there's no hope for you, the non-Canadian investor. While Wealthsimple might be a no-go, there are other robo-advisors and investment platforms out there that cater to international audiences. Here are some things to consider when choosing an alternative platform. Fees and minimums. Different platforms have different fees and minimum investment requirements. Do your research and find one that suits your budget and investing goals. Investment options. Not all platforms offer the same investment options. Make sure they align with your risk tolerance and investing goals. Account types. Some platforms offer tax-advantaged accounts, which can be a major perk. See if this is available for your situation. Regulation and security. This is paramount. Make sure the platform is properly licensed and regulated in your jurisdiction. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, do your research, and find a platform that sets you up for success, no matter where you call home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.